Up in the sky, I rise and soar. The drone hums softly, wings of metal explore. Over the ponds, 10 we made by hand, each one a mirror, a small piece of land. The beaver ponds stretch wild and free, homes of industrious friends who work endlessly. Water glimmers calm and bright, reflecting the autumn sun, a soft warm light. The trees around blaze red, gold and green, a living painting, the finest I've seen. Swales and canals guide the flow, a network of life, gentle and slow. Flying over the land, over waters still, each pond, each channel gives my heart a thrill. From man-made craft to nature's hand, this landscape sings, so grand, so planned. The beaver's work, the human touch, together they form a harmony, more than enough. Ripples, reflections, movement and shade, a living mosaic, carefully made. Hills in the distance wear autumn's hue, amber and orange mixed with sky so blue. Every pond, every path, every tree tells a story of life, of patience, of me. Flying over the land, over waters still, each pond, each channel gives my heart a thrill. From swales to canals, it's nature's art. On this perfect day, it fills my heart. I circle back, take one last glance over the ponds in their golden dance. Seasons of labor, rivers of time, captured below in rhythm and rhyme. As the drone drifts home through the crisp, cold air, I linger a moment, just standing there. 10 ponds of our making, the beaver ponds too, a world of wonder, alive and true. Flying over the land, over water still, each calm, each channel gives my heart a thrill. From the trees to the water, it's nature's art.